198 House robber. To solve the house robber problem, you can use dynamic programming. The idea is to create an array that will store the maximum amount of money that can be robbed up to the current house without alerting the police. For each house, you have two options: either rob it and add its value to the maximum amount robbed from two houses before it, or skip it and take the maximum amount robbed up to the previous house. This code defines a rob method that takes an array of integers as input and returns the maximum amount of money that can be robbed. The DP array is used to store the maximum amount of money that can be robbed up to each house. The first two elements of the DP array are initialized to the first element of nums and the maximum of the first two elements of nums, respectively. Then, for each subsequent house, the code calculates the maximum of two scenarios: not robbing the current house, which means taking the value from the previous house, or robbing the current house, which means adding the value of the current house to the value from the house before the previous one. Finally, the last element of the DP array contains the maximum amount of money that can be robbed, which is returned as the result.